Alright guys, so this is for anyone who needs an oil change for a Jeep Wrangler. And I'm not doing the intro this time. We're gonna let my boy Anthony do the intro, because this is That's Crazy Garage. So Anthony, what are we doing today on this Jeep?
We're doing a basic oil change. That's what we're doing today.
We're doing a basic oil change, right Forrest? Yep, we're doing a basic oil change. And what I just learned today, guys, if anyone has a Jeep out there in the same year, a JK, do not buy this royal purple, because I guess engines explode. And everyone, mechanic said, don't use it. We're not gonna use it. So what's the process now, guys?
So we're gonna fill this royal purple up. That's what I'm saying.
All right, guys, we're gonna do this in 10 minutes. We're gonna get this done. So what you guys need is 6 quarts of something that's not royal purple, because everyone told me it destroys your engine. You're gonna need one of these filters. It is a 10,000 mile extended life. There's some numbers on here. I'm sure AutoZone will hook you up with the right one. STP. You need a 23 millimeter, so when you're gonna take this cover off, and we're going to do this very fast oil change. You guys see, this is like NASCAR level. So you're going to have a 23 here. I only have a 24, so I'm going to make it do. And then you have 13 on the bottom. I stripped mine out. If you guys seen the TikTok that got 40,000 views, I failed and everyone just talked bad about me the whole time. So I got a mat under here. It's comfortable. We got friends over here who actually know what they're doing to help me. We got the dogs sleeping. And all right. So let's get to it.
10:31.
10:31. That was a minute just to introduce it. Now I got 9 minutes to do the job. So I got the filter. Now I got a 5-minute oil change to do in 10 minutes, just because I'm trying to do everything in one and record. Guys. Mechanic shit. Why is it so low? I thought I was supposed to raise this shit. Alright, guys. So if you can see, we got vice grips on here, because I stripped it out before. And we're going to loosen that up. We got a pan under here. It's going to shoot out. Hopefully I'll try to collect as much without getting it on forest ground. And we should be good. Alright guys, so we're here. We got it very last thread. It's gonna come out soon. It's very easy. Once you go out here, you wanna be careful, because it's gonna shoot out a lot. Ready? Got it. I'm perfect. Got it. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Guys, so the next step of this is you want to get your filter for your Jeep, and we're going with an STP, which I think I already said this in the video. And you want to put this all on the ground so it's dirty. And then, yeah, boom, that's done. And there should usually be a little ring over here, an O-ring. So we're keeping it PG-13. Why is it wet? It should definitely not be oil in there. But, all right, it's purple, so it's new. Cool, so what we're gonna do is put this somewhere on here, but it was supposed to come with a small ring. I guess I got one. So, yeah, now we just need a 24.
So hard to record it and do it.
Am I going the right way?
Yeah. You're good.
That sounded bad at first. All right, guys, so you take this off, and you're done. And then all you do is turn this a few times. I'm not turning it by hand yet. So you get this a few more times. Who's he talking to? Is it Austin? Did he nod his head? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's where that ring that's all lubed up goes. Probably get a napkin, huh? I'm gonna take it up. Alright guys, so after you get that, you guys have this filter that should be stuck to the top, and you flip it around so it doesn't get anywhere. And then at this point, it's very easy to do if you had both hands. That's definitely not gonna work. Could you hold this? Thank you. So you guys got the oil, and then what you're gonna do, I think, I got car people here. If I do it wrong, they'll tell me what I'm doing wrong. This is just for all the white girls who have Jeeps. I'm just playing.
What are you doing?
You're spilling oil, man. I'm a car person, dog. I'm figuring it out. How do I get this out?
You're gonna have to pull it from the actual filter itself.
Grab it from the filter.
Yeah.
Let me first get I'm sorry, Doug.
It's all good.
Well, I got that one out.
Put in the oil pan underneath the car.
And then put it in the...
Or in the box.
That's what I'm trying to do, man. Slowly and surely. Get it over here. And then what we're going to do is, I don't think we have to actually clean this out. So what we're going to do is just directly...
Hang on. Before you put that in there. Where's the other O-ring? Is it that one?
Yeah.
Alright.
We don't need to replace it.
Yeah, you do. Take your hand like this.
So you guys do need to replace the O-ring. Can you get in the photo? Do replace the O-ring.
Just pinch it.
Oh, that's easy. Pinch it. Don't use a screwdriver next time.
Don't do that either.
Don't do that either. Don't
you
do
go.
it like a...
It's supposed to roll it over the edge, not
Alright guys. And then I think this was the new one. And then what you're supposed to do next is like dip your finger in it. You're not supposed to actually. Alright, well, what someone told me is you're supposed to dip your finger and put it around the O-ring and put it around both rings.
Yeah, you're supposed to lube them up. Then you put
Alright, no one gave me a confirmation, and I think it went this way.
Yeah.
And then
Make sure it's seated in.
listen to the gunshots over there. And then can you bring the flashlight over here so I can see? Alright guys, and then basically there should be a hole somewhere. You put it in. I think that's the hole. Shit. That one somewhere. We're just gonna hope it's right, guys. I don't quite know which hole that we went in that time. No laughing, that's inappropriate. Wait, was I supposed to switch the oil before I flipped that a little? I'll figure it out, guys. I've done this before. You guys are just making this more difficult because you guys are car people.
Does that have anything to do with that?
Because you guys are looking over, like, if you have a professional looking over your shoulder, you got to take better care. And should I guess the torque specs are whatever this is set to? Or do you guys actually do torque specs?
I would not. Stop.
What torque specs do you guys usually go to?
Let me see this.
Well, I could just focus on the oil for now then, in the meantime.
Where's the spot?
Told you, man, cameraman's over here. I can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just
It is
guessing.
kinda hard.
See, you didn't even look at the torque spec.
We don't need torque spec. We go by feel.
Bro, that's a long wrench. You know, how you gonna know?
18
It'll tell you.
foot-pounds. Any second.
That was honestly really good. I'm honest, that was actually... Okay, man, okay. Got it. Try again. Alright, got it in. And all you do now is hit a little snug-a-dug-dug. What you do is you ask your mechanic friends if it's actually cool. Is it cool?
Why do you have a quart of 530 and a 5-gallon or 5-quart thing of 520? 6 quarts. Yeah, I know, but one's 520 and one's 530.
Oh shit.
Alright guys, to finish this out, so we got a 5-minute Jeep oil change. All you gotta do now is pour 6 quarts of oil into here without a funnel, or else you're weak. Let me open it first, guys, and then we'll get back to it. If you can't pour this without an oil funnel plug, you may as well just get rid of your car at this point.
You're gonna take this whole thing.